Salvete. In this lesson, we'll be talking about the perfect tense. For starters, let's talk about the formation of the perfect tense. Our first step is that we are going to go to the third principal part. So for instance, for the verb porto, the third principal part is portavi. Then we will drop the I for the stem. For instance, portav. That is now our perfect stem. Then we will add an ending as according to the following chart. Isti, it, imus, istis, and erunt. So for example, if we were going to have the third person plural perfect form of porto, we would take that portav stem and add erunt, giving us portaverunt. On your own, try to get the first person plural form in the perfect tense for the verb navigo. Pause the video if you need to. If you did it correctly, you first went to the third principal part of navigo, which is navigavi. Then you dropped the I, giving you the stem navigav, and then you added the ending imus. Try again with the next example for do, getting the second person plural perfect form. If you did it right, you went to the non-standard third principal part of do, dedi, dropped the I, giving you the stem ded, and then added our new perfect ending, istis. Now, for the translations of the perfect tense, we have two possible translations. One is known as the perfect present, which is translated as have or has somethinged, and the simple past, somethinged. Now, it won't necessarily always end in ed, just like our English principal parts didn't, but they will follow the passive participle for the perfect present and the past for the simple past. Let's take a look at how this works out in practicality. If we have the verb navigavimus, for instance, it could be translated as either we have sailed or we sailed. Try on your own to get the correct translations for didistis. If you got the correct translations, then they are you have given or you gave. That's all for perfect tense. Make sure that you add your endings to your best friend where it says perfect tense endings. Valeta.